Hello everyone. I welcome all of you again to this new episode of Trade Venture. So today is 22nd December. After many days and after the entire market fall and correction, let us now assemble to discuss a few things about market. Uh, if you check the fall, especially in Bank Nifty and Nifty, you could actually make a sense that हे एक थोडं शॉर्ट टर्म करेक्शनला सुरुवात झालेली आहे. I'm really sorry for that. Nifty. Yeah, if you check, consider a actual fall in Nifty. You would make sense की आता एका शॉर्ट टर्म करेक्शनची ही सुरुवात वाटते. It is now the market has now begun consolidating, and until it crosses 18,000, it is a rare phenomenon. पुन्हा एकदा त्या acceleration ने growth ला थोडा वेळ आहे आणि it's better now to have a few positional trades in place की आता आपण काही पोझिशनल ट्रेड्सचा विचार करू शकतो. सो याचा आत्ता साधारणपणे एक रिव्ह्यू आपण घेऊया. काही ट्रेड्स पोझिशनल ट्रेड्स इन द सेन्स की शॉर्ट टर्म साठी काही बाय आणि शॉर्ट टर्म साठी काही सेल्स आपण विचार करू शकतो. वी कॅन प्लॅन अ फ्यू शॉर्ट टर्म बायज अँड सेल्स. इफ यू चेक द लास्ट episode that we had seen a few stocks, and we'll also discuss how they have performed. But before that, let me start with the fresh stocks of today. सो या वेळेला आपण I have analyzed a few charts, and the first chart that I want to discuss is GMR Infra. It's GMR Infra. So GMR Infra is a stock which is giving a good buy signal. If you check, it is if 2014 or 15's support के नजदीक है, वो अभी resistance के नजदीक है, and it is now consolidating near that particular support. So it is nearing a breakout, and this particular has, like, if you check, moving averages have given a buy around here, and RSI is above 60. That's great. So in the near future, GMR Infra is about to perform. असं वाटतंय की GMR Infra चांगला परफॉर्म करेल. इवन आता आपण एकदा पुन्हा एकदा मागच्या स्टॉक्सला नंतर बघू. GMR Infra is near a breakout, so you can take this right now. If you enter at around, let's say, 43 rupees, you can consolidate. Let's around 35 च्या दरम्यान you can buy again, average in. You can buy again at around 35, after which you are going to exit. साधारणपणे around rupees 29 you can keep it as a stop loss. So since this is a share of a little bit less of value, then you can enter, like, थोडासा जास्त क्वांटिटी मध्ये तुम्ही एंटर करू शकता, आणि you can keep a little more of a stop loss. थोडासा खाली stop loss तुम्ही ठेवू शकता, because you know that this stock, any particular stock, cannot go below than ₹0. They cannot give a negative return. So at max तुमची रिस्क ठरलेली असते, so you can enter such a business. GMR Infra is one of them. Another share that I want to talk about is Zeal. Now Zeal has given a crossover, and it's given a perfect buy. It had given a perfect buy a few weeks ago, actually. There's a 1 week chart. It had given a perfect buy there a few weeks ago. But since it is now at a longer or at a greater than this particular zone, it's better the more it consolidates, we'll start acquiring. So start acquiring at around rupees 310. Start acquiring a few shares from 330, 330, 310 चालेल. An average of 300, 310 is good average to put in. Around, you can put a stop loss, enter at around these levels. You can put a stop loss at, let's say, You can put the stop loss at around 270. स्टॉप लॉस 270च्या आसपास असेल. यू कॅन एंटर व्हेरी सेफली. आत्ता तो 350च्या जवळपास आहे. थोडासा खाली याची वाट बघून तुम्ही 330 320च्या दरम्यान एंटर करायला हरकत नाही. दिस इज अ शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेड और अ पोझिशनल ट्रेड. So I'm expecting you to hold. We are not discussing intraday trades at all. So I'm expecting you guys to hold this particular trade. Zeal. Again, Nifty Media मधलाच अजून एक आपण वरती बघितला होता. एक Nifty Media, we had Nifty Media मधला we had seen Network 18. Sorry, Network 18 we had seen. We'll be discussing Network 18 again today. बघू नेटवर्क 18चं काय होतंय. Another stock that I feel is probable it's probably at a good position is Just Oil. After a long driven consolidation, it is about to give again a breakout. So if you check from 2016 to here, 2021, 5 years it was struggling. It is still struggling only, but if it crosses abhi right now, if you check, this is a good zone too. So if it crosses, let's say 950 plus, if it goes, we are going to buy it. Okay, so when to buy it? Per se right now, if you have to buy at low risk zones, you can start right now. So you can start at rupees 850 itself. Start buying at rupees 850. Stop loss, stop loss is going to be around rupees 700. And if there is a probable upside, it's expected to reach around 1000 rupees, 1200 plus. So 400 rupees upside, 150 rupees downside, it's good. The ratio is acceptable. So start buying at 850, and this will be the stop loss. So we have analyzed 2 to 3 stocks. This is now Trade Venture is a series wherein we analyze 2 to 3 stocks on the regular basis, on short term basis, so that you also guys get the results of the get the outcome of what happens, what doesn't happen. Now out of all the rest of the stocks, we'll have to first discuss. Okay, let's discuss them in sequence. So let's discuss Whirlpool. Now Whirlpool के case में Whirlpool is around 1700 something. That means the stop loss got hit. That's fine. It was a stop loss hit. We had asked you to exit around rupees 1930, and it was a stop loss hit. Finolex में entry ही नहीं हुई because it went higher from here. So it was expected to go higher, but it would have been a better buy at rupees 180. We didn't enter. That is also a good one. अगर एंट्री नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, बट स्टॉप लॉस के बाद ट्रेड में मत रुकना. दैट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन दैट वी नीड टू लर्न. डीसीबी बैंक एक बहुत अच्छा स्टॉक है. डीसीबी बैंक, sorry, DCB Bank, if you check, if it sustains above rupees 75, it's a good stock. If it goes below, why I say it's a good trade here is त्याची रिस्क इज जस्ट ₹15 to ₹20. इतनी ही रिस्क आहे. जर गेले तर एवढेच रुपये जाणार आहेत. जर मिळाले तर इट्स अ ह्यूज अपसाइड पोटेन्शियल. Okay, I'm not talking about the DCB Bank performance or mergers or news, anything at all, but as a stock, it looks like a very good risk to reward ratio kind of a stock. Yes, आता आपण येऊया आपल्या हिरो कडे, which was Network 18, which I told you to enter around 74 to 80 rupees, and it flew to 95 to 100 rupees, 111 rupees within 2 to 3 days. Okay, let me purposely take you to this particular chart of Network 18. Yes, it went higher and it again came down to around 88 rupees. Now, अब क्या करूँ? अब like we could have sold it at around 110. I had asked people to sell it at around 110, 111. Okay, but still, if you are still holding it, it is still a good time to buy this particular stock. It has a potential to go 120 plus higher. Okay. अगर नीचे गया तो क्या होगा? There is a chance of it going down as well, but the downside potential is far of less. then the upside potential बहुत मतलब you can, if you check यहाँ, I'll just put in the monthly as well so that we get a very long term view. Yes, in the monthly chart, it's showing for the first time, it's showing RSI going above 60, and it's giving a good crossover sign as well. So most probably this stock is meant to fly higher. It's expected to fly higher. Okay. Now in this case, those who are entering right now, I would ask you to enter with a stop loss of rupees to rupees 50, म्हणजे 30 रुपये खाली मी सांगतोय. However, it has a 50 plus above potential. You can put a stop loss of rupees 30. 30 म्हणजे काय, 30 रुपये खाली rupees 50 के अराउंड आपका stop loss होगा. So I hope yes, this is again an entry worthy stock that we have seen. So re-entry हो सकती है निफ्टी मीडिया के दो स्टॉक्स में रादर. वन ऑफ देम इज वी हैव सीन Zeal यहाँ पे अराउंड 310 के आसपास एंट्री हो सकती है Zeal की. एंड अनदर एंट्री हियर इज वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन नेटवर्क 18. नेटवर्क 18 में भी अभी री एंट्री हो सकती है. एज आई सेड, निफ्टी मीडिया इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू परफॉर्म गुड इन द कमिंग टाइम्स. Another very low risk entry I feel in the sense I analyze and interpret is about Axis Bank. Axis Bank it खूप वरचं potential आहे आणि it is giving a good, it's taking a good support at RSI 40. It's showing the signs of consolidation and its stop loss is here only. So if you check this level is the stop loss. This level म्हणजे कुठे असणार, साधारण it's rupees around 630. You can put it as stop loss. So very less of stop loss for a good amount of upside. Very good risk reward ratio is something that we are expected to see in Axis Bank. So put a stop loss at around 630 rupees and target, if given a chance, I would hold to rupees 830 plus. 830 plus, 850 plus rather. This has a potential upside of 850 plus. So accordingly plan your trades. Axis Bank seems to be a strong stock in the coming times. Chalo, we have discussed 2 to 3 stocks for the day. I hope you are loving these sessions. If you have any particular stock that you want the opinion on, you can put it on the comment section. I'll cover the stock in the coming sessions. Okay, thank you. Bye.